Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing look and review at the QCY T7 smart headphones with charging case, wireless earbuds. So let's open it up and take a look. So pretty cool form factor. Just take a look and see how they feel. So they look exactly, they're like kind of copycats of the Apple ones because they stick out a little far down your ear. Let's just see how they fit. So they don't fit my ears very well, but I never really had these things fit very well. When Apple used to have the circle ones, I was kicking and screaming when they went to this more collapsed form factor. So let's next we'll test how they sound. So they sound okay. It's almost like they're not using any equalizers or nothing, which is fine because I do appreciate hearing music as it was intended to be heard, not ramping up bass, treble, and mids at a software level. So that being said, they don't sound fantastic. They're extremely average, but again, I like the fact that they're not manipulating the music in any way to make them sound a little bit better. And they don't fit in my ear, but if you're looking for like some AirPod clones that don't equalize your music, and they're, overall the package is nice. You get USB-C, the case is nice, like presentation is good, and you're just looking for a nice pair to throw in your gym bag or go for a walk with, they're really awesome. But I can't completely recommend them as these are the headphones to get. These are the clones that you need to get. So very average. I'd say about like a 3-star out of 5. But still pretty cool, pretty nice package. Hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.